Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a hot mess, but I'm showing you how I looked before. It's just been a very rough and emotional month and a half. I did my room a few weeks ago finally, and I am now just posting it and letting you guys see me clean up a little bit and decorate my room. It's not completely finished, but I wanted to show you guys. Eventually there will be a bedroom tour, so look out for that, which that means you have to subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate that. Like, comment, share, all that fun stuff. It will really help out my channel like a lot. So with that being said, let's get started with this video. And I want you even more. I think I'm falling in love with you. Still can't believe get to fall asleep with you in my bed, with you in my bed. 'Cause all my life I've been worried that I'll never find the one, but you proved me wrong. I think I'm falling in love with you. I'll do whatever you want me to do, 'cause I've never felt like this before, and I want you even more. I think I'm falling in love with you. I'll do whatever you want me to do, 'cause I've never felt like this before, and I want you even more. I think I'm falling in love with you.
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. how we stay alive.
You've been messing with my temper lately. Always got me acting up, questioning my love for you. I feel your hands on my skin now fading, feeling like I'm all alone, yeah. I know you're sad, but baby, honestly, I don't care about the way you feel. 'Cause when it's over, you leave me broken on my knees. Went from being lovers, kisses, hugs, and cuddles, trying to get you out of my bed, babe. Closer, pulling you closer, trying to get you out of my bed, yeah. My bed, yeah. Didn't know I could feel this empty. Don't know if I'm able to move on from you, babe. But I know that it doesn't always work out, yeah. Just because you're in love doesn't mean it's enough. I know you're sad, but baby, honestly, I don't care about the way you feel. 'Cause when it's over, you leave me broken on my knees. Went from being lovers, kisses, hugs, and cuddles, trying to get you out of my bed, babe. Closer, pulling you closer, trying to get you out of my bed, yeah. I know you're sad, but baby, honestly, I don't care about the way you feel. 'Cause when it's over, you leave me broken on my knees. Went from being lovers, kisses, hugs, and cuddles, trying to get you out of my bed, babe. Closer, pulling you closer, trying to get you out of my bed, yeah. My bed, yeah. My bed, yeah.
Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you. But now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities, lately got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me, embracing our insecurities.